Now to developing news on a missing mom case. Doug Stewart now going to trial in the murder of his wife Venus. 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurci has a breakdown of what happened in court today. Joe?
Yes, Sue, first things first, you have been reading about this story in our coverage on woodtv.com and on Twitter all day. Unfortunately, we've had some technical problems. We have a crew in that area covering the trial. We will hear much more from them later on tonight, but because of those technical problems, we're going to tell you what's going on right now. We found out more today from Doug Stewart's alleged accomplice. That man's name is Richard Spencer. And the 20-year-old man Doug Stewart met on Xbox. He sat across from the man he called his best friend and brother, sharing information that led to Doug Stewart's standing trial for conspiracy in his wife's murder. Leaving no room for discussion, Judge Jeffrey Middleton cited detailed testimony of Doug's alleged accomplice, Richard Spencer, as a main reason for deciding this afternoon that Doug Stewart should go to trial for conspiracy and the murder of his wife, Venus. For about 3 hours, 20-year-old Richard Spencer gave a detailed account of what he claims Doug Stewart told him before and after his wife Venus's murder and the role he played in the alleged conspiracy. Spencer telling a packed courtroom that he visited Doug Stewart's home in Virginia weeks before the murder. That's when his friend Doug Stewart told him his wife Venus was lying about allegations that he abused their children. And Spencer testified Doug Stewart told him he actually thought his wife was abusing their girls, and he needed Spencer's help, and he needed an alibi.
When she got outside, he told me that he jumps out and she was either 2 to 5 feet away, and she screams one time, and she tried putting up a fight, but he was able to get her in that headlock with his arms, and he said that a drop of blood came from her nose and then it hit the concrete.
Again, a lot of information coming out of that courtroom today. We understand Venus Stewart's father at one time was threatened by the judge threatening to hold him in contempt of court for something he said during today's testimony. We'll hear much more on that throughout the day. But again, Doug Stewart now will face trial on charges of murder and conspiracy. We're going to have much more on this case coming up, I guess, just a few hours on WXSP at 10 and, of course, right here at 11. Back to you.